So today we're going to be doing 1.7b and 1.7d. The first three problems you're going to solve on your own. However you want to do it, you can use counters, manipulatives, pictures. So I know 6 plus 3 is 9 because I'm joining. I know 9 minus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 4. And I know 8 plus 2 is 10. Identify the coin and its correct value. Well, I see Abraham Lincoln, so I know that's a penny, and it has a value of 1 cent. Fill in the missing numbers: 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29. Ken has 5 marbles. Sam has 3 marbles. How many marbles do Ken and Sam have all together? Well, I know that they're joining their marbles, so I'm going to be adding them. And I know Ken has 5, and I know Sam has 3. So I'm looking for how many marbles is 5 and 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So together they have 8 marbles. Dana Duck was seen standing beside the log pile. How many logs tall is Dana Duck? So first one I want to draw is my line. Really, it's over here. So she is 1, 2, 3, a little less than 4 logs. So I'm going to go with 4 logs because I think they meant to make Dana Duck longer, and none of the other answers would be reasonable. You could also say she is 3.5 logs. That would be an acceptable answer, and that would actually be correct. We're going to trace an object that would fit inside the space below. Measure the length using a tool of your choice. So I could use this paper clip. I'll just draw it here. And I can measure it using fingernails. 1, 2. So that's worth 2. So I used my finger. So I used my finger. And it is two thumbs. And you could use something else. Yours will be different depending what you use. Measure the length of the toy car below using a tool of your choice. Tools could include paper clips, pennies, and cotton balls. So however you want to measure it, you would use that tool. So I'd say it's about 1.5 paper clips. So 1.5 paper clips. But yours may change depending on what tools you have and your size of your paper clips. How many units tall is the cell phone? Okay, well, I want to make sure I'm starting here and I'm ending here because the cell phone's not here and the cell phone's not here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 units tall.